Our planet has changed a lot over its history. Land masses have moved around quite a bit. You probably already know that all the land on Earth used to be attached to form one giant supercontinent called Pangaea. That supercontinent is split into two fragments, Laurasia in the northern hemisphere and Gondwana in the southern. Gondwana contained what is now modern-day Europe, Asia, and North America. And over many millions of years, tectonic plates moved around so that the Earth looks the way it does today. But there was also another continent, and scientists are calling it Greater Adria. Shifting tectonic plates are what forced the former continent of Greater Adria down into Earth's subduction zones. Subduction zones are where tectonic plates form slabs of crust on top of one another. Much of Greater Adria was destroyed in the Earth's mantle, because it's pretty hot and magma-y down there. Much too hot for continents to survive. But some of it is still visible on the surface of the Earth, and you can technically go to what was once Greater Adria, on the top of mountains. You probably remember from school, or maybe you're learning about it right now, that when tectonic plates smash into one another, they form mountains. The tectonic remnants of Adria are actually found along the mountain range that includes the Alps, the Balkans, parts of Greece, the heel of Italy's boot, and Turkey. The rest of Greater Adria is around 1,000 miles underneath Europe. Greater Adria was estimated to have been a continent the size of Greenland, and it split away from Gondwana. The destruction of Gondwana began 120 million years ago. 40 million years later, Greater Adria was nothing more than a string of archipelago islands. Finding this lost continent was no easy task. It took an international team of researchers from 30 different countries to analyze data from 2,300 paleomagnetic sites. They used advanced plate tectonic reconstruction software to reconstruct what the region looked like all the way back to the Triassic period, 240 million years ago. But yeah, they found evidence that the Earth once had yet another continent. It was probably covered in dinosaurs.